Hello students, today we are going to the second part of tenses, and in this we will discuss table of tense. So we will make 4 columns. In the first column we will write simple, simple for all the 3 tenses like simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. In second column we will write continuous. Continuous means present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous. And the third we will write perfect, means जो नेक्स्ट कॉलम है उसको हम रीड करेंगे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, देन प्रेजेंट पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस, एंड द लास्ट वन perfect continuous. This column we will read it present perfect continuous. The next will be past perfect continuous, and the next future perfect continuous tense. So first we read present and we compare all the present tenses with past tenses. So first, present tense, simple present tense. Simple present tense structure is subject plus verb plus s or es plus object. And what is the difference between present and past? What is the difference between present and past? In past we have subject plus verb, second form of verb plus object. So we will discuss simple present tense. In simple present tense there is example, he goes to school. He is subject, goes first form of verb plus es. Then to temple is here complementary to a sentence. Then we have second example like I write a letter. They play football. You have noticed when we use he, with he we have used es with verb. When we use I, with I we have used only first form. When we use they we have used only first form, not s or es. So the conclusion is that s or es is used with he, she, it or singular name. So I, we, you, they and plural nouns do not take s or es with its verb. Clear? जब हम ही, शी, इट से सब्जेक्ट के रूप में यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो हम एस और ई एस वर्ब के साथ नहीं लगाते हैं, और जब हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट होता है आई, वी, यू, दे और प्लूरल नाउन, then we will not use s or es with its verb. Clear? Now we read the second comparison. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का कंपैरिजन हमने पढ़ा, अब हम पढ़ेंगे सिंपल पास्ट. इन सिंपल पास्ट we have subject. In simple past we have subject, second form of verb and object. Example is he went to temple. He subject went, second form, to temple again complementary. I wrote a letter. I, its subject, wrote, second form of verb, a letter, object. They played football. very simple tense is past tense, only subject, second form of verb and object. And you have to remember only second form, only second form. In simple present tense, you will remember first form s or es, but in past you will remember only second form. I hope I have cleared. Then we will discuss continuous tense of present and past. Continuous tense of present and past. What will be the recognition part of the tense is continuity in present. Like we are studying, we are learning tenses, we are learning. Are learning means we have used here present continuous tense. So in this we have subject as MR, first form, and at last object. We have example, he is doing his work. He subject is helping verb, doing, do plus ing यानी कि first form plus ing. His work object. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. I subject, am, yes, speak, helping verb, writing, first form plus ing, and a letter object. So here I is using am. Am is used with I, with he and she, it. With he, she, it and singular name we will use is, and with plural we will use are. In plurals we have we, you, they, and plural name. These all things we will use are. What we will use? Are. So clear? Then we have past continuous tense. All things are same. Only change in helping verb. We will use was, were. First form ing, subject and object. Clear? He was doing his work. In the previous we have used the example he is doing his work. Now we are using was. He was doing his work. I was writing a letter. So here we have I, he, it or she, and singular name. We will use was. With we, you, they, and plural we will use were. Clear? Then we have next present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. In present perfect tense we have subject has have plus third form plus object. So example, here we have example. Here we have example. As we have discussed, this is subject has have third form of verb and object. So we take example, he has done his homework. He has done his work. We have used has plus third form. Do, did, done. Done is third form. I have written a letter. It means we have used have plus third form of verb. He, she, it and singular name. With he, she, it and singular name we will use has. I, we, you, they plural noun names we will use have. Clear? So We will compare simple present tense with simple, sorry, we will compare here present perfect tense with past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, here we have the difference. At that place in present tense we have used has, have plus third form. Now we will use had plus third form. He had done his homework. I had written a letter. I had plus third form. Had written. So here whether we have I or whether we have he, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, all things will take had. There is no any other option. If you want to write the sentence into past perfect tense, then you have to use had, had. Clear? So now the last present perfect continuous tense. Here we have subject has, have plus been, first form ing, object since and for. So we have subject has, have, been, first form ing, object since and for. So now we have example. He has been working in the factory since 2002. Since or for is given here. Slash is written between since and for. So how we can use since or for? When we have exact time, so we will use since. When we have period of time, then we will use for. Clear? When we have exact point of time, it means 2002. 2002 is exact time. We know that before 18 years we have 2002. So when exact time is given, when point of time is given, we will use since. And when we have a period of time is given, then we will use for. So now we have subject. Now we will discuss past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense. So past perfect continuous may we have had like this. Then we have been, first form ing, object since and for. Here I have shown you how you can use for. Like here are 2 hours. 2 hours is given. 2 hours is a period, not a point. Period means its starting point and it has also its end point. So when a period of time 2 hour, 3 hour, 1 day, 2 day, 2 years, 3 years, this type of time is given, then we will use for. Clear? So next, finally, we have future tense. We have future tense. So it's very simple. In each future we will use will or shall. We will use will or shall. Subject will, shall, first form ing. In future, future simple future or future indefinite. Example, he will go to temple. Will go means in future he will do this work. I shall write a letter. It means till now I have not written any letter. So in future I shall write a letter. So one question maybe it is in your mind that will or shall, when we will use will or when we use shall. With I and we will use shall, and all others like he, she, it, they, you, all will take will. So next we have future continuous. All things will be same, but one thing is helping verb will shall will be same. You will use be first form ing. Main thing is will be going, shall be going. Clear? He will be writing a letter, I shall be doing my work. What is the रिकॉग्निशन पॉइंट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट? रिकॉग्निशन मीन्स पहचान क्या है कि ये जो काम है ये फ्यूचर में हो रहा होगा, आप ऐसा गेस करते हैं. क्लियर? और बाकी जैसे जो विल शैल का यूज़ होता है वो सेम रहेगा जैसे हमने सिंपल फ्यूचर में किया. नेक्स्ट वी हैव फ्यूचर. Next we have future perfect. In future perfect we have will, shall, will, have plus third form. Will, shall, have plus third form. He will have written a letter. I shall have completed my homework. Clear? Very simple. Only we have to add here have plus third form. Next we have subject. Will, shall, have been first form ing. Here is also like as we compare this with simple present tense, we had used only been and since for. ओनली बीन ऐड करना है आपने, बाकी सेम एज इट इज़ रहेगा जैसा कि जैसा कि प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में हुआ था. आई होप यू हैव made your understanding how to build a structure, how to make a sentence. Thank you.